Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. This is where the adventure begins.
Morning viewers, Frank here, Thing Adventures. Well, today we're heading up to Killarney. A couple of hours, in fact it's about 2.5 hour drive west of Brisbane, and we're going to go via the Condamine Creek Road, which crosses the Condamine Creek / river 14 times. So it's a bit chilly up there today, so we've got all of our gear, warm gear, camera gear, food check, esky check, wives check, and of course we've taken some special goodies with us, some special treats from Christian Jacques, which is a French bakery under the Story Bridge, but we'll open those later. This is going to be a surprise, so stick with us, come with us, and all will be revealed. Let's go. I'm going to reveal what we're going to be partaking of today. I'm very excited, and I hope that they've travelled well, because we've gone to great lengths to maintain the integrity of the presentation. Custard croissants. Here we have some custard croissants. Now, I'm so excited. I'm so excited I'm almost beside myself. I almost have another one beside me here. Hang on a second, just let me check. I gotta space them in the packaging properly first. Here we go. Are we ready?
We're ready.
All right, here we go. So, here we have lemon meringue eclairs. These two are caramel eclair. Well, there you go, viewers. I hope you enjoyed that. 14 river crossings. Trusty cruiser, made it through all of them, no problems whatsoever. I hope you enjoyed the tasty morsels from Christian Jacques French Bakery. Now, we didn't sample all of their fares. That was just a small extract. So next time we'll get some more in our next adventure. So stay tuned for more adventures with Frank, Wayne, and Darren from Thing Adventures. And I think I found my cat, smoking hot.